Shungurudu, a song by Alec Macheso. In this song, Macheso is crying on behalf of the abused and downtrodden. He shares their pain and is asking for the creator of heaven and earth to intervene. Zvamurimi munoona zvatisingaone isu. Here he is saying, God, you are the all-knowing and all-powerful one, who can see even things that we can't see ourselves. He wants God to protect him, his clan and all the downtrodden of this earth. He also calls on those that have their hands on worldly power to use this power to protect the weak when he says, vekwedu weimi ticheukeiwozve zvotongoshungurudzwa wani musingadzimure sei. We can see the desperation of the cause as he calls for intervention from mothers, fathers and the divine being himself. We are being treated like a cat with no reward. We see this way he says, zvotongoitwa sengoro wani makangotarisa sei. He then calls for unity of purpose if we are to defeat the social ills of poverty and abuse between humans. Vedzinza redu ngatiisei musoro pamwe. Let us put our heads together to make planet Earth the best for every citizen. If we are to pray, let us pray in unison. We hear this way he says, tonamata tariro iri imwe chete. All these interventions we are doing for the good of the next generation, and they are going to thank us for paving the way for a better life. Pane vamwe vachazotiyamura ava, vana vedu tisu takavarwira isu. Here he is encouraging everyone when they make decisions to always have the next generation in mind. Nhasi uno ave makomborero kwavari, vanoziva kwavanozviturira ivo. As we teach our kids, they will know the path that we walk and where we send our prayers to the heavens above. Enjoy this song from Baba Shero. God bless.